signs that life is rising, and my heart feels overwhelmed. I remember you are with me, even when I can't feel a thing. You calm the storm within me. You speak rest into my soul. Every time I call your name, I know I'm not alone. In the quiet, you draw me near. Your perfect love removes my fear. This song will bring you peace when you're tired and weak. Let it lead your heart to me. I am everything you need. Lay your worries down. Feel my presence now. This song will bring you peace. I've been walking through the shadows, searching for a little light. Then your grace comes like the morning, breaking through the longest night. You don't fail, you don't change. You are faithful till the end. I will trust you with my life, again and again. When I don't know what to say, your spirit teaches me to pray. This song will bring you peace when your hope feels incomplete. Let the sound remind your heart you've been mine from the start. Breathe in heaven's calm. Let the healing come. This song will bring you peace. Be still, be still. I am with you. Be still, be still. I will carry you. Be still, be still. Let your heart rest here. Be still, be still. I am with you. Be still, be still. I will carry you. Be still, be still. Let your heart rest here. This song will bring you peace. In my love you'll always be. Held by grace, safe and free. I am closer than you think. Every tear I see, every prayer I hear. This song will bring you peace. Us now, I am here.